All right, I got this beautiful guitar. I haven't put these pickup surrounds in here, but these go in here. These are rosewood. They go in there, and I'll have to put them back in there. I haven't done that yet, but anyway, this is an amazing guitar. Crushed blue denim finish, lacquer. Pete Pagley did a great job. It's got a Callahan cold rolled steel Fender style tremolo, 2 and 7/32. It's got the Lindy Fralin high output. It's got the freeway switch, 6 positions, single coil, and humbucker. Pretty cool. The Holy Grail on fret 12, stainless steel, 25 frets, Brazilian rosewood fingerboard, maple cap. The Rushmore Holy Grail series is no neck joint. It's all swamp ash, one piece of swamp ash, tobacco burst on the back, and I think you're going to really love this guitar. I think it's one of my best guitars. I really like it. It's just such a fat monster guitar. I mean, it sounds like a Strat when it's in single coil, or Stratish, I should say. But it sounds all Gibson when you go to the humbucker. And which is cool to have a guitar that's that versatile. So let's give it a listen. This is it here. Single coil.